friends, Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I have an intro for you. This is a pan for Walt Disney. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab that was created by Kayla and Bere. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Please correct me if I'm wrong. It started July 17th, 2024. It goes through July 17th, 2025. It is a random project. It has 100 prompts. You can use as many as you want. Make any goal that you want. So that's what we're going to do today. I am going to do this. So it goes through July, but I probably will stop painting sometime in May. I need to have neck surgery, unless I have to have it before then. But so how many prompts do I want to do? Am I going to do this useless style or finish style? Let's see what prompts I get and then we'll go from there. Okay. So there are 100 prompts, and I'm going to bring up my random number generator and we'll get 10. 10 to 11 months. Yeah, 10 feels like a lot though. Let's do 10. Oh, okay, great. Here we go. I'm gonna write these down on my handy dandy notebook. Okay. 5. There we go. 92. So the prompts are all about Disney movies, etc. There are a lot. I want to go to Disney so bad. Rob had a colonoscopy last weekend. I know, random. But the girl at the front desk, her and her brother have season passes, and they live here and they go there. And I'm just like, oh, I am so mad jealous. 3. 2 more. 8. I love the confetti. 27. Okay, I have my computer right here because I just did deck of penning. I bought some oven baked clay to make some things and bobs and dilly on my Jolly Fit Elf channel. Okay, so number 3 is jump in. A product you had no hesitation on buying. I don't know what that's from. Is that a movie? Jump in? Lord, I'm old. Then we have 8. Luck of the Irish, a green product, packaging, or a product that brings you luck. Then we have, wait, not 8, what am I doing? It's Frozen, a product that is cooling or a snow winter themed project. Okay. Then 23 is Sharpay's Fabulous Adventure. Okay, isn't she from like High School Musical or something? A product from a brand based out of NYC. L'Oreal, Shiseido, Tula, Clarins, Revlon, Estee Lauder, Glossier. There's a whole flippin' list of them. So we'll get something from there. Number 98 is Cruella. Cruella de Vil, Cruella de Vil. A more elegant or fashionable product, high-end luxury brand, beautiful packaging, etc. Okay. 87 is A Race to Which Mountain? An alien in your collection. You're so alien. Oh my God, Missy, stop singing. Read It and Weep. A product you loved before it became popular. For the idea, it was her personal diary before she accidentally submitted it for the school assignment and won the contest. Then in turn had her diary get published for the world to see. Did you guys see that TikTok? Listen, I'm not on TikTok, but I saw this on YouTube where a patient forgot her journal at a dentist office, and then they literally started reading it on TikTok for content. Can you imagine the invasion of privacy? We weren't reading it to laugh at it. It doesn't matter why you were reading it. You shouldn't have been reading it to begin with. Lord. How to build a better boy is number 32. A product that you customize. Custom Z palette, Bite Beauty Lip Lab, etc. Okay. 3. Missy, go faster. Oh, I've already done that one. Yeah. Oh, I forgot 5. Jesus. Camp Rock. A product you fought to buy. Hard to find, sold out fast, and had to wait for it to be restocked, was discontinued, etc. for the final jam. Again, I am so out of touch with all this. I have no idea. Okay, here's 8. Look at the Irish. I'll go back through them, y'all. What the heck, Misty? This is the processing of my brain in real time. Radio Rebel, a product you kept secret when you first bought it, but in the end ended up sharing that you bought it. A product you bought from friends, family, etc. It could be because the brand product is controversial, etc. But in the end, you end up sharing it. I don't know. Let me go find these. I have no clue. I have no idea. Okay, friends. I'm gonna hate my life. I'm gonna hate my life. Okay. I will do my best to reread the prompt for you because I know that I got a little all over everywhere. So we're going to start with number 3. Jump in. A product you jumped with no hesitation on buying. I'm going to bring you one of these. This is the CoverGirl Yummy Glosses. These are strong. And when I first saw them, I was like, add to cart immediately. And I am not disappointed in that. They all smell so good. It's the formula that is the real star of the show. It's not sticky. It's not gloopy. It sits on the face. They're kind of like the cross between a lip oil and a lip gloss, and they don't have much color. I don't understand why there's different colors, but that's probably really the only complaint I would have. But yeah, fantastic. Can't recommend enough. And that is in to finish. Number 5 was Camp Rock, a product you fought hard to buy, hard to find, sold out fast, and had to wait. I'm going to bring this. This is the Winter Wonderland palette from Palette for Cosmic Brushes. I didn't get this initially. I had to get it on the pre-order, and I pre-ordered it like in, January, and didn't get it till April. And my goal is going to be to hit pan on one eyeshadow, and I think it's going to be... You know what? Instead of that, let's finish this shade. Can you see it? It fell out. I'll repress it, but let's see if we can get this eyeshadow finished. That's actually a really good idea. We'll get it done, get it out. Like I mentioned, I have other shades like this in my collection. It's supposed to be shifty. It basically just looks gold on the eye. So yeah, we'll finish that shade. Okay. Hot damn. Then we have Look of the Irish, a green product packaging, etc. I'm bringing in this. This is the Ace Beauté, Misty, stop it. Ace Beauté Tropical Vibes palette. I bought this and then maybe I did no pan left behind. I honestly can't remember. I have done that I want to hit one pan. I'm going to pick a shimmer to hit a pan in because these look like they're really deep. And these aren't colors that I would normally wear. maybe some in the fall. So I'm going to give this a go, hit a shimmer, but I want to play with these mats to see if this is even a palette I want to keep around. So kind of no pan left. You know what? Let's just do no pan left behind. Yeah, I'm going to do this no pan left behind, and we'll see if I even like it. You know what? No. I'm going to do 8 uses because I did that with the other prompts. So whatever number it is, that's the number of uses, 8 uses for this, except for like that Winter Wonderland and the gloss and stuff. I'm doing a real good job. Read It and Weep, a product you loved before it became popular. I'm bringing in this. This is the Revolution Foundation Stick. I have mine in F2. This has been in plenty of projects, as you can see. I don't have much of this left. I've been mixing this with my bronzer because my bronzer is kind of dark. But I loved this and talked about it ad nauseum. And then, not Raw Beauty, Nikki, Nikki Tutorials used it on her channel and she loved it too. And I was like, yeah. And then it kind of sold out for a while. But it's a really nice formula. I don't even know that they make it anymore. Doesn't matter. I think I have like 5 backups. But yeah, this is in to finish. As you saw, I don't have a whole bunch left and we'll mark it on the cap. Then Sharpay's Fabulous Adventure, something that is stationed or from New York City. And I brought in this. This is the Shiseido Benefance Wrinkle Smoothing Eye Cream. This is bougie AF, but you know what? This is good. Ulta put this on half price. I got a sample of this and it lasted me at least a good 2 months. I know people are torn on eye cream. This eye cream is so good. So good. If you see it on sale or if you can grab a sample of it and you have dry skin like me and you're 46 and your eyes are like, what are we doing? This is really good. I just started this last night. So yeah, I picked up a Tarte one and I had to throw it away because it was so scented. My eyes just burned and itched every time I wore it. So yeah. Okay, Radio Rebel. This one was hard for me. So I tried to find a product that I didn't feature in a haul. And maybe I did, maybe I didn't. I don't know. This is the One Size Cheek Clapper Blush in Fat Ass. Let's see. This is number 27. So I'm going to use this 27 times. I mean, do I need another blush? No. Actually, you know what? No. I think it'll be all right. We'll do 27 uses for sure. It'll pair well with the other blushes that I'm the other blushes I'm planning. And you'll see this video will go up before that one, but in the next project you'll see lots of blushes. Okay. How to Build a Better Boy, a product that you customize, the Custom Z palette. I had initially brought this in for a Pan That palette for this year. I was doing this as Better Together and then a Pan That palette, and I am not rebooting that until January. So I want to hit pan in the 3 purple shades. We have this one, and this one. They'll be real easy. The bottom ones I think are Looksy. If you place an order and you did not get it, charge back on your credit card for serious real. Because, I mean, maybe if you didn't charge only $3 for your very expensive shadows, you would have stayed in business. But to just disappear. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Looksy Beauty, they did a release, like a pre-order release, and then disappeared. No website, no customer service, nada, nothing, nilch, zip. So if you are someone who is waiting for an order and you haven't yet, contact your debit card company or your credit card company. Race to Witch Mountain, an alien in your collection. I'm bringing in this. This is a lip liner, and I think I own 3. And this is one of them. This came in a Love Island lip kit. I really loved the color of the... Wait, did I get this for free? I don't remember how I got this, but it came in a lip kit. And it's real pretty. It's real pretty nude. I have 87 uses. That might actually finish this. It is a sharpenable pencil. So yeah, this is in for 87 uses or to finish. Next, we have Frozen, a product that is cooling or snow winter themed product. I'm bringing in this. This is the Candy Floss Super Shock Cheek from ColourPop. And I mean, could it be? I don't own anything from the collection when they did the Elsa and Anna collection. But yeah, this is, I mean, can you get more frosty snowy than this? It's so pretty. So this is number 92, so I'm going to try to use this 92 times. We'll see if that uses it up. I don't think it will, but we'll see. And then last, but certainly not least, is Cruella, a more elegant or fashionable product, high-end luxury brand, etc. I'm going to bring in this. This is the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. This I have down for 98 uses or finish. I don't wear this very often. It's really pretty. Is it worth the price tag? I don't know, you guys. If you can afford it and you like the look of it, I say go for it. But it's basically like just a highlighter. Like, it looks beautiful, but I have dry skin, so I almost always buy glowy blushes. Like, my face today is a little bit of highlighter and a little bit of highlighter, but mostly glowy foundation. So I don't need much more glow, but they had a kit, buy 5, get 1 free. I don't remember what happened, but they had a sale or something, and I was like, oh, let me pick up a few things. So I got the wand, and then I got this, and I got some of her skincare. I really like her Magic Eye Cream. Maybe I'll pick one of those up. I don't know. It was fantastic. I don't even know if they still make it. So yeah. So anyway, that's it. That's a lot. If you remember, I did this for the emoji. I hate that I didn't get to finish that project. I was doing random number. So I think this will be fun. So 10 products, most of them to finish. A couple of them are just usage goals. So we'll see how far we get. But that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you. You have to be a Fantastic Lady for this one because that's where the prompts are. And again, there are 100 of them. And as I complete one, I'm going to roll a new one in. I may roll one in each month anyway, since some of these are finish goals and they're big goals. We'll just have to wait and see. But I would like to try to get to all 100 of them. I think that would be fun. I never did get to all of the ones from Child of the 80s. I really enjoyed that project too. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Be sure to say hi in the comments. If you're new, please say hi and tell me where you're from, how you been, what you're doing. Yeah. You can follow me on my other channels. I have the Jolly Fat Elf. I'm about to start a holiday card series. Be my 10th year of doing a holiday card series. I make cards. And then on my At Home with Misty channel, I am on a quest to lose 100 pounds. And it's the 100-pound countdown challenge. Feel free to join me over there. I think all of those are listed down below. Don't call me. I don't know. But anyway, that's it. I appreciate you. Have a good day, have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.